Hello, welcome to Erin Lee's Beauty. I'm Erin, in case you might have guessed. And today we're going to be reviewing a Boxycharm Base box for the month of May. And in case some of you didn't know, Boxycharm is a beauty subscription box and it costs $25 a month. There's 5 full-size items that are included. Shipping is also included in the United States. And you do get to select one of these 5 items one time a month. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and show you all just a real quick recap. I got these brushes here, the Lavish brush set. I have not used them just because I have so many brush sets open already, but I do want to save it for when it's time to throw a set away, then I can start a new one. So I'm not being super wasteful with that. The hot toddy. It was okay. It kind of has a light smell of almost like a hairspray-ish smell. It doesn't smell bad though. I didn't really notice much of a difference, but then again, it's to protect. It's not really to do anything really noticeable, I don't think. Anyways, there's that one. That was okay. I'm okay with that, and same with the brushes, but yet again, I'm not super excited so far. The TNT Eye Haze pencil. I don't just dislike this. I strongly dislike this. I try to use it different ways throughout the week. I just don't like the way the product performs. You can't really tell, but like I tried using it different ways, underneath shadow, above it, on top of it, blending it, or just putting it on. I didn't have any luck with it. I feel like the product clumped up. It didn't really last. If I barely would touch it with a brush on accident, it would just wipe away. Am I going to finish this? No. I'm probably going to throw this away. I mean, it was good to try something new, but it's just not for me. And I don't know if all smoky pencils are supposed to be like that, but I know that this one is, and I don't like it. Okay, the next thing is the Shapetape Glow Wand. And I did choose this, and I was really concerned in the beginning because I thought the shade Sunbeam would be too light for me, but I actually really do like it. So unfortunately, you can't really see it very well. However, we do have lights coming, so lights and backdrops and everything, so it should be better quality. Here comes soon. But I did notice a difference, and it is just more like a highlighter. It doesn't really conceal or anything, so it does what it's supposed to do. I don't like this. I do get the concept of, you know, being able to take it out and clean it, but I found as me trying to use it wasn't really practical. It kept falling out when I was trying to use it, and I just felt like they just fell short with the applicator part of it. Maybe just have left it off would have been better to not then have it at all, but I did like it. I did. And the next I had the Dewy Eyed Illuminating Serum. And this was nice. I felt really good going on my eyes. I didn't have any kind of irritation or anything with it. It just made my eyes feel really moisturized. I mean, I like it. I'll put all the extra stuff on my eyes that I need to put because I want to help prevent against more wrinkles and damage. So totally like that. And actually, that's everything I had in the box. Overall, I guess I was more excited initially when I first got the box. However, it's not a bad box. I still got some things that I liked, and I got to try some new things. However, I am a little bit upset that I did order a Natasha Denona palette as an add-on last month, and I didn't receive it. I sent a message to customer service. They said, okay, no problem. They put in an order for a new one. Hadn't shipped. I wasn't too worried, except for when the add-ons from this month started shipping before they had not even sent the eyeshadow palette yet. So that's a little bit saddening, but I went ahead and messaged them again, so hopefully we can get that corrected. Anyways, that's all I have for you today. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.